Good morning, everyone. So in the last lecture, what we have seen the two problems on the lacing system. Now this is the third problem based upon the lacing system. In this particular sum, there are the four angles that are connected by a double lacing. Up till now, the problems we had seen that is for the single lacing system. Single lacing system के लिए हमने टू टू टो connection as well as back to back connection के लिए sums देखे थे. Now in this particular sum, there are the angles that are connected with the double lacing. So here we'll start the sum. So design a built-up column consisting of four angles. The columns carries an axial factor load of 1000 kilonewton. Here the factor load is given to you, that is of the 1000 kilonewton, and the effective length of the column is given to you, that is 7.2 meter, and the angles are connected by a double lacing system. They have told you to design the double lacing system using M16 bolts of 4.6 grade. They have given you the diameter of the bolt as 16 mm and the 4.6 grade is being given to you. और क्या क्या दिया हुआ है? Effective length and the factor load is given to you. And they have told you to calculate the angles are connected and they have told you to design the double lacing system. So just note down the question. Then we'll proceed for the solution. Just note down the question. After completing the question, let me know so that we can proceed further. Yes, done. Completed the question. Yes, all of you had completed the question. Should I proceed with the solution? Yes, completed. Yes, Reem, Alvas. Done with the sum. Okay. So I hope all the others had also completed the question. So we'll start with the solution now. So here the four angles are given to you for the double lacing system. So just draw the diagram. All these dimensions we are going to get in the sum. Then we will start the solution. For now, just note down this diagram. This is of the angle section of the size 150 by 150 by 18. And the total spacing is given to you, that is 294 between the angles. And the L effective is 291.56. The 8. The distance between these lacing, that is the vertical distance, is 206.4. CYY is 43.8 and Y is your 102.91. So just draw the diagram. And after completing the diagram, let me know so that we can proceed further. After completing the diagram, let me know. And if you are having any queries, you can ask. Who is this Bhargavi Rahul, your first lecture? Done with the diagram? All of you had completed up till here. Should I proceed with the solution? Yes, Abdullah, completed. Okay, completed fast. Yes, Roshan, Abhishek, completed. Mayur, done with the diagram. Slightly increase your speed. Is completed. Okay. I hope all the others are also completed. So we'll start with the solution now. PU is nothing but the factor load that is being given to you in the question. The factor load is given to you, that is 1000 kilonewton. As well as question में क्या दिया हुआ है? L effective is given to you. L effective कितना है? L effective is your 7.2 meter. So the factor load and the L effective is given to you. All these values we are going to calculate now. Okay, Abdullah. So first of all, we are going to select the section. So we are going to take the section that is for ISA 90 by 90 by 10. As they have mentioned in the question itself that there are 4 angles. So we are going to take the angle section as ISA 90 by 90 by 10. Before that, we need to calculate the value of PD. So PD calculate करने के लिए अभी आप section कैसे choose करोगे? How you will choose the section? सबसे पहले आप क्या करोगे? PD कैलकुलेट करोगे एंड PD कैलकुलेट करने के बाद में whatever इफेक्टिव एरिया आपको मिलेगा उससे जो भी इफेक्टिव एरिया है जो भी एंगल सेक्शन का ज्यादा रहेगा वो एंगल सेक्शन आप चूज करोगे. So first of all you need to calculate the value for the PD. So PD will be equals to A into FCD. As you know that FCD you are going to assume it as 150 if it is not given in the question, and factor load already it is given to you in the question, that is 1000 kilonewton. So factor load is given to you. FCD you had assume it as 150. तो उसपे से आपको इफेक्टिव एरिया कितना मिला? इफेक्टिव एरिया you had got that is triple 6.67 mm square. Now so you have to select the angle section. So ये एरिया से ज्यादा एंगल एरिया किसका है? That is of the angle section 90 by 90 by 10. So you will try the section that is 4 ISA 90 by 90 by 10. उसमें से you can calculate the value for AG provided, that is the area provided. So एक एंगल सेक्शन का एरिया कितना था? 1708. As you are considering the 4 angles, so you are going to multiply it by 4. So 4 angles का section कितना है? Area कितना है? 6812 mm square. So AG provided is greater than the AG required. So here you can choose this angle section for the further calculations. Now from the page number 10 and page number 11 of your steel table, you can take all these values for the ISA 90 by 90 by 10. That is IXX आपको मिलता है 126.7 into 10 raised to power 4 mm raised to the power 4 for single, and IYY I will show you. It is on the page number 10 and 11 of your steel table. See here, the angle section 90 by 90 by 10. So ये 90 by 90 by 10 के लिए आपको कौन सी वैल्यूज चाहिए? आपको सबसे पहले IXX and IYY चाहिए. उससे भी पहले आपको क्या चाहिए? You want area. So see, this is the column for the area, that is the sectional area. So 90 by 90 by 10 के लिए आपकी area कितनी है? That is 17.03. That is 1703. We are taken 1708. So one and the same thing. So 1703 into 4. As we are going to take the 4 angles, so you need to multiply it by 4. तो आपको 6812 एरिया मिलता है. Then आपको क्या चाहिए? CXX and CYY. So CXX and CYY is over here. See, this is 2.59. As it is in centimeter, we need to convert it in mm. So 25.9 mm. Then we want the rxx and ryy, and हमें क्या चाहिए, moment of inertia चाहिए in x axis and in y axis. So it is on the next page number, that is on the page number 11. See here, ISA 90 by 90 by 10. So आपको IXX की वैल्यू चाहिए. अभी IXX कहाँ है, यहाँ पे. This is the values for the IXX. So 90 by 90 by 10 के लिए आपको IXX की वैल्यू है 126.7. So IXX and IYY is over here. That is 126.7 into 10 raised to power 4. Then आपको और क्या चाहिए, CXX and CYY. So CXX and CYY will comes up to be 25.9. So these all the values you will get from the steel table, and RZZ and RYY. Again, ISA 90 by 90 by 10 के लिए आपको ये चाहिए RXX. See here the radius of gyration, that is 2.73 is given to you. That is 27.3 mm. So here we have taken all the values from the steel table. That is IXX, IYY, CXX, CYY and radius of gyration. So just note down all these values, and if anyone is having any of the queries, you can ask. Just note down up till here, and after completing you can refer your steel table and IS code, both the things you need to refer when you are going to solve the sums based upon DDSS. Is done. Is completed up till here, everyone. There is the no ISA given in the question, Abdullah. There is the no size of the section, it is given in the question. The diagram is not given in the question. The diagram we need to draw. ये जो एंगल सेक्शन है इसकी वैल्यू सेफ नहीं आती है, इसलिए हमने दूसरा एंगल सेक्शन कंसिडर किया है. That you will come to know when you will proceed for the diagram. Just for your understanding, I have drawn the diagram earlier, but every time you have to draw the diagram after solving the sum. Means आपको diagram हमेशा last में draw करना है. That is the designing part. You need to draw it after the question. But just for your understanding कि आपको क्या solve करना है, मैंने diagram पहले draw किए. Okay. Yes. Everyone had completed up till here. Should I proceed further? Yes, Roshan, Sania, completed. Should I proceed further? Okay. What about others? All the others had also completed. Now, spacing of the angle. So for FCD 115, you had assumed the value of FCD as it is not given in the question. So for FCD 150 and FY 250, FY is nothing but the yield stress. Allowable L by R, that is L by R ratio is here 64 for FCD 150 and FY 250. So L will be your 7.2 into 1000 as you need to convert it in mm. So L will be your 7200 mm. उसमें से आप R की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो. L by R, ये वैल्यू अलाउेबल L by R आपको कहाँ से मिला? Yes, anyone? Can you let me know? ये L by R की वैल्यू आपको कहाँ से मिली? Yes, anyone from you? Allowable L by R we get from the IS code 800/2007. आपको FCD की वैल्यू पता है, FY की वैल्यू पता है, तो आप लैम्डा की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो. लैम्डा इज नथिंग बट L by R रेशियो. So L by R you will get from the IS code 800/2007. अब हमेशा FCD कैलकुलेट करते हैं हम हमेशा, but here you need to calculate L by R ratio. So L by R is 64. So उसमें से आप R की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो. So R will be equals to L. Substitute the value of L. So you will get the value of R, that is 112.5 mm. So just calculate R, then we will proceed further.
Then from where we get 7.2?
7.2 is given in the question. Effective length. It is in meter, we need to convert it in mm. That's why we are multiplied by 1000. Okay. So just calculate the value of R. Yes, mute yourself. Arif Ansari. Yes, everyone had done up till here. R की value मिली सबको. Should I proceed further? Increase your speed. We need to complete the lacing sums by today itself only. So increase your speed. R की value मिली. Yes, everyone had got the value of R. Okay. Now we need to calculate I. So I will be equals to A into R square. That is moment of inertia. Moment of inertia required I will be equals to A into R square. So area आपको कितना था area? 6812 और R just now you had calculated that is 112.5. उसमें से area क्या moment of inertia calculate करो. So moment of inertia आपको मिलता है 86.214 into 10 raised to power 6 mm raised to the power 4. Then you need to calculate the value of y. So उसके लिए moment of inertia required will be equals to moment of inertia provided. So moment of inertia required just now you had calculated, that is 86.214 into 10 raised to power 6. और I provided कैसे calculate करोगे, that is 4 into 4 से क्यों multiply किया, because आपके पास 4 angles है, and I आपको मिला था 126.7 into 10 raised to power 4 from the steel table. So 4 into I plus 4 into area into y square. ये एरिया आपका एक एंगल सेक्शन का है, that is 1703. So you need to multiply it by 4 into y square. इसमें से आपको y की वैल्यू मिलेगी. So calculate the value of y. After calculating y, you need to calculate the spacing of the angle. So spacing के लिए you are having the formula, that is 2 into y plus 25.9. So what is 25.9 over here? That is CYY or CXX. So 2 into y plus CXX, that is 25.9. तो उसमें से आपको spacing मिलती है, that is 271 mm. So do up till here, and if any queries you can ask. Yes, who's this? Yes, Mahesh, you are having any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then mute yourself. Calculate the spacing. See whether you are also getting the same answer or not. The students who are joining late, please join on time, because this is designing subject. You will not understood if you will join late. Moment of inertia means y कैलकुलेट करने के बाद आपको क्या कैलकुलेट करना है, स्पेसिंग कैलकुलेट करना है. सो स्पेसिंग कैलकुलेट करने के लिए यू आर हैविंग द फॉर्मूला, दैट इज 2 into y plus cxx. So cxx देखो आपको कितना मिला था, cxx आपको मिला था 25.9. So just substitute the value of cxx and calculate the spacing. तो spacing आपको मिलता है 270.66, that is approximately equals to 271 mm. Now understood? कैलकुलेशन ऑफ मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया. मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया के लिए हमने क्या किया है, वी आर जस्ट इक्वल ऑफ द मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया रिक्वायर्ड प्लस मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया प्रोवाइडेड. तो रिक्वायर्ड हमने ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेट किया था, दैट इज 86.214, और प्रोवाइडेड के लिए वी नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 4. सो हमें एक एंगल सेक्शन का एरिया कितना मिला था, एक एंगल सेक्शन का मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया कितना मिला था, 126.7 इंटू 10⁴. बट हमारे पास 4 एंगल है, इसलिए हम we are multiplying it by 4. So 4 into 126.7 into 10⁴ plus 4 into area. The area कितना है, 1703 into y square. So इसमें से आपको y की वैल्यू मिलेगी. Y is nothing but the distance. Now understood? In the diagram you had आपने डिस्टेंस ड्रॉ किया है, कौन सा कहाँ से लेके कितना डिस्टेंस, दैट इज योर y. So solve up till here.
मैम, हमने मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया में एंगल सेक्शन प्लस कौन सा वाला है?
4 एंगल सेक्शन है ना, हमने 4 एंगल कंसीडर किया है, इसलिए 4 into मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया किया है. plus
मैम
4 is
प्लस की
multiplied to y square. Yes.
मैम ये प्लस वाला कौन किसका है मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया?
कौन सा वाला? ये
नहीं मैम, सेकंड वाला।
सेकंड वाला मतलब ये 86.214.
नहीं मैम, वो वाला नहीं। प्लस फोर वन 1703 y²
ये 1073 y square. ये 1703 y square क्या है? एरिया है. एरिया ऑफ वन एंगल सेक्शन.
हाँ जी मैम।
We are having 4, that's why we are going to multiply it by 4.
ओके।
Okay.
मैम clear।
Okay, then you can move yourself. Okay, done up till here. Everyone had got the value for the spacing. Yes, Mohammed Sabir, Akib, had you got the values for the spacing? Neha, Roshan. Yes, everyone had got the values. Solve up till here. Should I proceed further? Do increase your speed. Yes, Akib, mute yourself. After completing up till here, let me know so that we can proceed further. Okay, what about others? All the others had also done. सबको मिल गया, हो गया यहाँ तक? Yes, completed or not? Ibrahim? Okay, okay. So we had got the spacing. Now we need to calculate the width to thickness ratio. We need to check. So B by T, B is your 90 and D is the thickness, that is 10. So it is less than 15.7. So this is okay. Then D by T again 90 by 10. Again it is less than 15.7. So okay. So B plus D by T, B is 90, D is 90. That is 90 plus 90, that is 180. 180 by thickness, that is 10. 18 is less than 25. So okay. So your check for the weight to thickness ratio is safe over here. So do this check. And after completing this check, let me know. Yes, so on. Yes, हो गया यहाँ तक के सबका? Should I proceed further? Okay. So for slenderness ratio, again we need to refer the your IS code page number 48, that is clause number 7.6.1.5. So उसपे से आपको क्या calculate करना है? Lambda least calculate करना है, that is formula is given to you, that is 1.05 into lambda built up area. So 1.05 into lambda built up. Lambda built up is nothing but 1.05% of lambda built up section. That is 7200. 7200 क्या है आपका? L upon RXX. That is 27.3. So उसपे से आपको lambda लेस कितना मिलता है? 276.92. So here PD, the value of section is not satisfying the load as PD is less than PU. PD जो आपने कैलकुलेट किया था, PD lambda laced calculate करने के बाद में you need to calculate the value of PD. So it will be less than the PU. So here your design section is not safe. So you need to revise the section. We are having less than a minute. So those who have not given the attendance, give your attendance in the chat box. And all the students are requested to rejoin the lecture again after 10 minutes. Till then you complete this part. And if the meeting gets over, rejoin it again.